Okay, want to give you an update on the project for the Squeaky floor. I went out and bought that Squeak No More kit, and you can be the judge for yourself. I must have drilled probably about close to 10 times in the floor trying to find the joist. After about the 10th or 11th time, I found it. I actually went 9 inches from the wall as they mentioned on the instruction, and I just basically times that by 9 for 81 inches because where the squeak was at 81. And then it felt like I hit the joist, and then I just went 16 inches from there to basically find the next one. And it took a couple tries because it was going in crooked and I had to move an inch or so away, but you heard the squeak before, and this is how it is now. This area in blue had a lot of squeaks. If you hear any noise, it's just my foot hitting the carpet. I'm about 4 feet away from the blue tape and nothing, which is incredible that the squeak's not there. This area that's just 2 feet or so from the spot that I put the screws in, and I'll walk back and forth. Side to side. Nothing. Incredible. So for about $20, I would highly recommend the Squeak No More product. This is what it looks like. Let me grab the screw. Sorry for the shaky camera work. So this is the screw that once you find where the joist is at, you actually put this on. This is your drill bit, and it goes on at the end. So it looks like this. If I can do this with one hand. Basically, you get the picture. Like this. And you drill it into this piece straight down. And it gets to a point where it'll stop because it won't go any further. And you'll be left with about half an inch or so. So basically the head showing here. And then you just take this piece right here, and you angle it down, and then pop it off. And it looks like this. It basically breaks off about 1.5 inches or so of your nail. So far it works. I thought I would have to put in more screws, maybe down the road, if it doesn't hold up, but yeah, I would recommend this.